Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So now we are going to deal with snake lines. And in order to use snake line, we are going to add another line to our preamble. Use Tikz library. And we are going to use snakes. And now we are going to draw a line. Coordinate from 0, 0 up to, let's say, 10, 3. Save it and let's see what we have. And now I would like for this line to be thicker, so I'm going to provide option, let's say 0.75 millimeters. Save it. Okay, this is better. And let's decorate it a little. And let's add another segment to create broken line. Let's say 3,4. Save it again. Okay, this is something much better. And now, in order to create snake line, we are going to add additional option, and that is going to be snake, and we are going to set pattern to zigzag. Save it. And now with another option called segment, I'm going to put this in another line. Segment length set to 1 centimeter. Save it. And let's add another option, amplitude 0.5 centimeters. Save it. What's wrong? Yes, it's segment amplitude. Save it again. Okay, but this is ugly, so I'm going to change it to, let's say, 1 millimeter. Save it. Okay, or even less, 0.5 millimeters. So you see, with segment length, we are dealing with entire segment of our zigzag line. And with amplitude, we are going to deal with height of particular segment. Okay, now I'm going to remove all of this and let's try another pattern. Let's go with bumps. Save it. Okay, and let's try something like brace. Save it again. And I'm going to remove this last part for you to see better. Now let's add amplitude. Let's say 1 centimeter. Save it. Now I'm going to remove this decoration because it doesn't look very nice with this pattern. Save it again. Okay. And let me show you another interesting command. I'm going to copy this line, but I'm going to add another option in here. Raise snake equals 1 centimeter. And let's change color equals to green 50% and 50% black. Okay, save it. And you see, now we have another squiggly bracket 1 centimeter of this first one. But let me show you something even more interesting. With this first line, I'm going to add additional option, mirror snake. Save it. And you see, with this option we turned our line into different direction. And what we can do, we could draw another line like this, but without mirror snake. and we are going to get this interesting pattern. And for now I'm going to delete these two lines. Let's see what else we have. So I'm now going to remove this mirror snake, and snake pattern is going to be triangles. Save it. Okay, now I'm going to go with 0.3 centimeters, and okay, this is much better. Let's try coils. Save it. Okay, what's wrong? Oh, it's not coils, it's coil. Save it. Okay, wonderful. And one more type of line. It's going to be expanding waves. Save it. Alright. So guys, this is all for this episode. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and see ya!